Chair, my name is Richard Jikunu with the Global Youth Council and my colleague facilitator Mawa. So the two of us in the next 18 months will also provide, together with 10 other young people who are on this council, an independent insight and recommendations to the coalition on the work that the coalition will be doing as well. And the aim is, first of all, to build the capacity of young people also in leveraging artificial intelligence for universal health coverage, and to develop campaigns and initiatives to also support young people build capacity, especially at the country level. And I think this morning I raised that question: how are countries engaging young people in meaningfully engaging them, not only just in discussions, but in decision making? And how are young people being provided the necessary capacity to be able to represent in all of these forums? And so this council has been formed based on a lot of consultations. During the Africa Health Agenda International Conference, there was a consultation that brought young people together to also listen to their opinions and reflections on what they think about artificial intelligence and also universal health coverage. Also at the Women Deliver Conference, there was a similar consultation and workshop where we brought young leaders together to really ask them to reflect what their role is in terms of leveraging artificial intelligence for universal health coverage. And this consultation led to a survey that we had over almost 2,000 young people all over the world, bringing out recommendations. And in these recommendations, we really felt that young people felt that they were left out of decision making at a country and global level. Also, there are a lot of young people innovating different technologies for universal health coverage, but then they lack funding. There is no way to scale up. And so actually this coalition aims to not only bring a representation of young people's view to what the coalition is going to do in general, but also galvanize some momentum at the global and country level, so that young people also have a collective voice when it comes to artificial intelligence and universal health coverage. And so just to quickly sum up, we have over currently 10 members on the board now, with 2 facilitators, and in the coming weeks and months, we'll be reaching out to hopefully all of you here to know about the council. And also if you have various youth constituents working on universal health coverage or needing capacity building or wanting to also build some campaign, I think this will be a great council to leverage so that young people have a collective voice to joining the UAT agenda. And we hope that with the members of the council with diverse expertise, from some are engineers, some are award-winning UN activists, and these are young people with a lot of expertise, and we hope that we contribute to the coalition and also seek your support in building that global momentum to hold our leaders accountable to investing in universal health coverage. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you.